So we've got a mini meal prep this weekend, mainly because mine and Leo's schedules just really are not matching up. So to start off with, we did the taste test of the honey, the one egg the other day, and we've got some leftover pancakes. So basically this is all for me. Leo will get like little bits of it that are left over, but most of this is for me because he's not working over this, so you know he can make his own. So we've got leftover pancakes. We've also got a Spanish omelette. Now you can see the video for the pancakes and for the honey over the last couple of days, but this one is over on Patreon. So if you want to find out how to make a vegan Spanish omelette, head on over to Patreon and you will get the recipe there. And with it, I'm just having some passata. I was going to go for curry sauce or something, but in the end I just kind of went, you know, let's just go basic and kind of traditional as you can get when you're not using eggs anyway, with just some passata. And yeah, that kind of does me. That's absolutely fine. Now for the kind of dinner, for the main meal of the day, I have got some Jamaican patties in the freezer. And to go with it, I was thinking, oh, you know, I've got some kidney beans in the cupboard, I'll put some veggies with it, that'll be awesome. Nope, no I don't. I'm trying really hard not to buy stuff that I don't need, so I didn't buy kidney beans. Instead, I am going to use some of the pearl barley that I picked up a while back. So it is good in the fact that I'm using up what I have got, but I would have rather had kidney beans, but there we go. So I've got some carrots, some peppers and some onion there, and I am going to boil that down with some of the pearl barley. And now I'm just putting some water, like quite a bit of water in there, bringing it to the boil, covering it and then letting it steam. It does absorb quite a lot of water, which you can kind of see because it is kind of steamy in there, but ultimately once it's cooked, just drain it. So there was some water still left in the bottom of this. It won't absorb it all. Well, depends how much water you put in there. But anyway, I have drained that. And then what I'm going to do is put in some sweet corn because I love sweet corn. And why not? I've got some, as you can see in the background there, some Dunn's River jerk seasoning. So I'm just going to pop some of that in there just to season it. The reason I didn't put this in when I was boiling it is because 9 times out of 10, I do end up dumping quite a lot of water, and I don't want to put all that flavour into the water only for it to then go down the sink, which is why I'm then seasoning it after it is cooked. So I've put some of that in, some garlic powder because I always need more garlic, a little pinch of salt because while there is salt in the seasoning, it isn't a whole lot. It's more like your other kind of flavours in there. So that is my seasoning for this. And what I'm also going to do is put in a little bit of that passata because I'm not going to use all of that with the Spanish omelette. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that in here just to kind of give it a bit of moisture, because otherwise this is going to be quite dry, and also just to give it a little bit more flavour. I've not got any tomatoes. I'm doing really badly with my shopping, and while I've got piles of other stuff, I've just been really unorganised with my meal prep this week. But it is using up what I've got, which is no bad thing. So I'm just going to put this salad in tubs, and then to go with it I have got my patties. Now I got these from Sainsbury's for 10p. This was like a very joyous day. This was the Sainsbury's by work, and I'd introduced my work colleagues to these, so we all kind of went bonkers over this and got loads of them. I'm sure there's like a few of them in the freezer at work, but for 10p you can't go wrong. So I'm leaving the other 2 in the freezer, so because obviously I don't want them to go off over the next couple of days, and I've just put 1 in the tub there. So there we go. We've got the pancakes, which was the video yesterday, the one egg, which was the video the day before, so go check them out. You've got the Patreon video, which is the Spanish omelette, so you can go check that out as well. All of the links will be below, and that's coming with passata. It's a really simple recipe as well. I love that one. And then for dinners, we have got patties with kind of barley salad type thing that was just made up because I didn't have what I wanted. So there you go. Check it out, guys. Check out these patties for sure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.